this moment, let us hear a message from our Assistant Regional Director, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir.
Thank you, Kurt. I was just surprised kay natabunan ang congratulatory tart na to, no? Maliw rin niya kung patanggal na kay nasapaw, abi na kong napailahan mga naong kaya. To our RCS, Senior Superintendent Fabric, Division Chiefs, our RLOCs, Superintendent Dolono, Commission and Commission Officers, UP, maayong buntag sa tanan. If you observe, medyo hurot-hurot ang ato ang officers, including some of the key personnel sa ato ang region, considering that we have a lot of kanang activities sa national headquarters, launching sa ilang ULP and naapoy activities si RD regarding their incoming scheduled New Year's call sa Tri-Bureau. So hopefully, maayo ang dagan sa ilang New Year's call. Kung naminaw mo sa speech ni CFO Rosario, no, trending na siya karon with regards to our organization, no, considering that our very own tatay or father of the DLG nag-mention kita na again, we just do what is right, no? I just wanted to share with you the guidance when I was still remember that mo ginagawa ang film ni Ginabalong, no? The words during our graduation sa academy, no? When Senator Panfilo Lacson is the PNP chief, according to him, what is right, do it right, and what is wrong, set it right. Pero niya na ginakuan, I still have that message sa ako ang kuan kasing-kasing when I serve the Bureau. Unta, it is also the one na inyong baton. No? We have to probe that we let the kanang alleged na corruption as the challenge sa ato ang organization. We let it probe na dili tanan ingon ana, especially sa Region 10. That's why if you still remember, during the 2024 recruitment, I was the one singled out and even gireklamo ko sa ombudsman because of my vocal resistance in the said irregularities. No, thankful ko because na-dismiss ang ako ang case sa ombudsman. And again, naana po'y incoming ko, no, regarding ang gihapon ato. Hopefully, no, in God's grace, malampasan na mo sa mga previous members of board because that is part of the investigation para malink with regards to the allegations that ranging from 300 to 500 per FO1. Although it is isolated cases, dili magitanan, but it is only sad nga imong una-unaon gi-generalize na. That's why challenge na sa atong organization to do what is right. Again, we have a lot of activities for this week. Guidance yatang si Ate sa ako, but again, we will just talk with the other officers with regards to the sa operation. Also, wala man naka-place during because based on the instructions sa ato ang regional director, ipasugod nag-practice ang ato ang ignition band to entertain during the NFO, coming NFO this March, and also the first, second, and third of the acoustic atong mga team. Pero wala naka-place ato ang team din, no? Nasira sa performance ni Claire. So, ang first, second, third, no, paki-advise lang mga taga-PIO, mamalihog ko, kontakin sa team leaders atong first, second, third, pa-advisean sila nga they will start to practice a lot of songs kay they will be entertaining the in every activities from negative 2 or negative 1 of the day until day 3. So, puli-puli, apel ang ignition band, no, para daw kuan kanang dili sumo nga usara ka banda ang mag-entertain, so ipa-apel daw ang acoustic katong first, second, third. So kinsay lang team leader during last December sa ato ang Thanksgiving party, upat ra man to ka songs ang ilang render karon daghano na nila, no, practice sila. So para mawalan na, no, we will just wait what is the update with regards to the activities sa national headquarters, and wishing you all a fruitful week ahead of us. Thank you.